Today we're talking about a car that blends premium features, compact design, and sporty performance into an irresistible package at the 2025 Audi A1. This isn't just a small city car, it's Audi's statement that luxury can come in a compact form, without compromise. From the very first glance, the Audi A1 makes a strong impression. The front end is aggressive yet refined, with a wide single-frame grille and sharp LED headlights that give it a confident face. The lines running along the body are clean and modern, emphasizing its sporty character while still maintaining that sleek, elegant Audi DNA. The proportions are balanced: a short overhangs, a low stance, and just enough muscle over the wheel arches to hint at its athletic ability. Whether it's sitting in a driveway or weaving through traffic, the A1 demands attention. Under the hood, the 2025 A1 offers a choice of efficient yet punchy engines. The turbocharged 3- and 4-cylinder options are tuned for both performance and economy, making it ideal for city driving and longer trips alike. The steering is sharp, the suspension is refined, and the car feels planted even at higher speeds. It's fun to drive without being over the top. Audi has really nailed that balance between comfort and agility. Inside, the A1 is where it truly surprises people. You might expect a smaller car to cut corners, but Audi hasn't compromised. The interior feels modern, upscale, and well thought out. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and fully customizable, and the center infotainment screen is responsive and easy to use. Materials feel premium to the touch. Soft plastics, textured finishes, and sharp design lines give the cabin a sophisticated vibe. Everything feels like it was made for the driver. What's especially impressive is how Audi has packed so much technology into such a compact car. You get smartphone integration with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, natural voice recognition, and a user-friendly MMI interface. The A1 also includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and rear cross-traffic alert, things you'd usually expect on larger or more expensive cars. It's clear that Audi wanted the A1 to punch above its weight in every category. Space-wise, the A1 offers more than you'd think. Front passengers get plenty of headroom and legroom, and the back seats, while best for two, can accommodate adults comfortably for short trips. The boot is surprisingly generous for a hatchback this size, and with the rear seats folded down, it becomes even more practical. It's a true everyday car that doesn't feel cramped or compromised. On the road, the 2025 A1 shines. It's quiet, composed, and incredibly refined for its class. You won't feel like you're in a small car when you're behind the wheel. The cabin is well insulated, and the ride quality is smooth and stable. Whether you're cruising down the highway or darting through city streets, the A1 feels confident and capable. It gives you that big car feel in a smaller, more manageable package. This new A1 is also more efficient than ever. With improved fuel economy and lower emissions, it's a smart choice not just for your wallet but for the environment too. Audi has focused on sustainability without sacrificing performance or quality. It's a car that makes sense in today's world. Stylish, tech-savvy, efficient, and fun to drive. There's a reason the Audi A1 has built such a strong following over the years, and the 2025 model just takes everything to the next level. It's the kind of car that works for a lot of people, from young professionals and city dwellers to anyone who wants premium quality without the size or price of a full-size Audi.